How to make a Snapchat filter for an event. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make a Snapchat filter for your own event. So let's get started on this process. At first you'll have to firstly open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser, and now after you open the Chrome browser, in the search field you'll have to search for create Snapchat filter. So you have to search it, and now from there you will be able to see such interface. So here in my case it is showing that to create a Snapchat filter, also called a lens, you will have to use Snapchat Lens Studio. So it is a free software that allows you to design and share augmented reality experiences. So here is the breakdown of this process. So now from this section, if you are getting the options like create Snapchat filters or something here, so you can easily upload our pictures, and then from there you can extract the filter for your event. So if you are not getting that option, you'll have to go with the option Snapchat Lens Studio. So for that you'll have to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and now from here you'll have to search Snapchat Lens Studio. So from here you'll have to go with that option, and now from here in the details you can know that from here you can customize your Snapchat lens for the your event. So from here you can install this app and create your specified lens for your events. So this is the easiest and simplest method to make a Snapchat filter for your event. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.